What is up? What's going on? What's up? What's going on? What's happening, YouTube?
The mechanics.
God, I love that so much better. Today, we're having a tinker session. Revisiting our work VSSDs. We are in the garage. Happy MLK Day. If you were in a city with bikes, I hope you went and rode somewhere. If you was in a city with cars, I hope you got to see some cars. Other than that, I don't think you guys do anything other than party on MLK Day. But if you guys watched the inauguration, it is what it is. And it was what it was. With this being said, I'm going to continue on the work VSSDs. Like I said, there's several easier ways to get this job done. This particular wheel I am doing by hand and continuing the process with more supplies that I acquired over the couple of days. So with this being said, let's go ahead and get cracking. I need to get some gloves on though.
I keep a mirror by my bed. I take one glance and can't stop it. I'm so damn fly and I don't know why. I keep a mirror in my walk-in closet. I got one by the stairs just to look at my hair, and another mirror in the kitchen. Damn, I look good like my grandma's chicken, and I can't think of shit I'm missing. I'm so damn vain. I walk up to the glass on the buildings downtown and I ask my own name. It's a damn shame, cause I find myself walking by car windows doing the same thing. Bitch, I ain't playing. No wonder I can't hear what you saying, especially if you ain't talking payments. I'm so.
A few moments later.
So essentially what we have here is the wheel scuffed up to about 2,000. I went to 2,500, but when you go to 2,500, you're basically scratching it with the dust that's still around. So 2,500 off of a 2,000 isn't really going to do much more except whatever. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and start polishing this. I'm pretty sure it's still going to get the shine that I need. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and get a little bit more comfortable, and then I'm going to begin this process. So
Conceited, her number get deleted quick. If I even sense she playing games, I'll find me another bitch that knows my worth, that ain't tryna goose and knows I want her purse. She either gets down or shit gets worse, cause I'ma get $1 million before I get in a hearse. Fuck that, I'm too motherfucking sexy to be wasting my breath. That's why I tell a bitch straight up, don't tempt me unless you ready to rent me. Okay, cause a D-back a day will keep your troubles away, but you gotta pay to play, cause I look better than you anyway. Every time I take a shower, I can't help but notice I'm the shit. And when I'm getting dressed, look in the mirror, I think the same damn thing. Again, I'm full of myself, you bitch. I'm full of myself, I'm full of myself, I'm full of myself, you bitch. Don't need your opinion, you don't know how I'm feeling, I'm full of myself, you bitch.
Yeah, what's up, my nigga D-Mac? You love to walk around here, walk around like you shit. You know, I see with the young dreads, loaded out, my nigga. Yeah, you pimpin', my nigga, but I'm doing it bigger. Nigga, I get more bitches and niggas than anybody up on this motherfucking planet. Nigga, fuck with me, though. 30 feet, my nigga, ask about me. I get more bitches than niggas. Late, my nigga. I been getting bitches, nigga. Been pimpin' since pimpin', my nigga. Been golded out. Been poppin' on niggas. Like, you need to get on my level, my nigga. I'm trying to tell you. You can't drive the whip unless you're gonna drive a seat, my nigga. My nigga, catch up with me, though, cause I been getting bitches. Got more bitches than you. Got more bitches than you. Got more bitches than you.
Every time I take a shower, I can't help but notice I'm the shit. And when I'm getting dressed, look in the mirror, I think the same damn thing. Again, I'm full of myself, you bitch. I'm full of myself, I'm full of myself, I'm full of myself, you bitch. Don't need your opinion, you don't know how I'm feeling, I'm full of myself, you bitch. I don't need your opinion, you don't know how I'm feeling. You don't know how I'm feeling. I don't need your opinion, you don't know how I'm feeling. You don't know how I'm feeling, bitch. I'm full of myself, I'm full of myself, I'm full of myself, you bitch. I don't need your opinion, you don't know how I'm feeling, I'm full of myself, you bitch. I don't need your opinion, you don't know how I'm feeling, I'm full of
Like I said, I are no professional. I did have a job doing this kind of thing for a while, but yeah, I are not professional. So I'm not a professional, but I am a perfectionist. And that's why I like my work better than I like other people's work. So I would not drop this off to anybody else so I can get this kind of result back. Because when I worked at the place that I worked at, we did get stuff back like this and sent it out. But I'm going for a more finer look. I want this look right here. But this little situation is not gonna get me here. I need to go in depth with this and dial in this process so I can get a better result. Definitely need to go over this with the 2500. If I was to hand continue this situation, I would do 2500 and then start from right here, 2500, and go up probably to 1,000, 3,000, or maybe even 3,000 wet sand. But that is entirely too much work for this at this time for me, because I do have other process. I wish I had a corded drill or an actual polishing wheel. As they do say, you do have everything that you need to get the job done. It's just gonna take a lot longer. So be it. I have to go to work tomorrow, so I'm gonna wrap up this vlog. This is a captain's log tinker session. We still have work to do on these wheels. I have to do the same process on my JDM Daytons before I put them back on. Those also need to get flipped and beat up a little bit, so I'm gonna be doing that pretty soon as well. Other than that, like, comment, subscribe, come back, okay? Or not, I don't care, whatever. It is what it is. With this being said, peace, I'm gone.
The Mechanics.
$800, $1,000, $2,000, went up to $2,500, and did a rough scuff because it wasn't really it really wasn't doing much. But like I said, there's better ways to do this. There's easier ways to do this. This is just a test to see with what I have right here, am I capable to do it in a reasonable time? Absolutely not. This whole process right now took 2 hours, and well, let's put it like this. Oh, no, it looks actually kind of decent on camera. Oh, yeah. No, it looks decent. Most people are going to leave the crib with this.